same refractive index A, B, C are placed in contact with each other as shown, with no air gap between the prisms. Monochromatic ray of light OP passes through prism assembly and emerges here in this way. So the light. Okay, fine. The condition of minimum, where the minimum deviation is, in which particular prism minimum deviation is there. So what is the basic idea for minimum deviation? The refracted ray inside the prism should be parallel to the base. So you can see that this is the base, and the refracted ray here you can see this one. This refracted ray is parallel to this. Here refracted ray is parallel to this. Whereas here it is not parallel. Here it is not parallel. This is the base of the prism. It is not parallel here. So here it is parallel. So therefore, the ray undergo TIR in the prism A and B. So what is the basic condition? So sorry, when minimum deviation, at minimum deviation, at minimum deviation, refracted ray will be parallel to base of prism.